This is the fourth video in the Expense Management Application series. In this video, you will learn how to enforce a receipt by using the rule building block in an expense management application. Sign into AppWorks Platform and open the created workspace. Double-click Expense. In the Add New pane, expand Business Logic and click Rule. In the type list, select Event. An event rule is used to configure an action that is triggered by the configured event. Name it Check Received Attached. Click Add. In the event list, select An item is created. You can set one or more rule conditions that must be met before an action is triggered. In the conditions list, select More Properties. In Select Property, expand File and click File Name. Select Empty in the Equal to list. Here, the condition will be met when the file name will be empty. Set the action to show error. Setting the action will execute the action when a condition will be met. Set the message to upload a receipt. This error message will appear when a user does not upload a receipt. Open the Create form and click Form Designer. Click Summary. Check Required under Display. Click Amount. Check Required under Display. Click Save. Click Publish. Open AppWorks Runtime. Create a new item on the list. Creating an item without uploading a receipt will show the error message, Upload a receipt. And that's how you enforce a receipt for an expense reimbursement by using the rule building block.